All right, what I was trying to show in that other video was that I put two pieces of tape here. Here, I'm gonna pop it off because when my box, the box that goes right here, when that thing broke off on my third flight, I was opening the battery hatch by using a screwdriver. I would stick it in this hole and then pull this back, but then the piece that I pulled on broke off. So the first flight, I had bare bond tape over both earth magnets. There's the earth magnet in the hatch, and there's the earth magnet on the fuse right there. I had a piece of bare bond tape over that too. Then after the canopy flew off, I landed and I pulled this piece of tape and then just put the latch on with this piece here so I could grab that to help pull it off. So it just goes in there like that. And that is so hard, it holds so well, just the one magnet, I can lift it up and it stays stuck. So that solved my canopy problem. I'm not going to do anything else. And I may or may not touch up the gray and the black. I can touch the black up with a Sharpie, and probably the gray too. I think I have a gray colored Sharpie around here somewhere. But that's what I did to fix the battery latch. Easy cheesy. All right, let's go! Woo, 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 air tractor time. Hadn't flown this in a while. Probably 3 weeks ago is when the little plastic latch that I was opening with the screwdriver broke off it, the battery hatch, so I couldn't get it open. And I'm going to build a different latch and put it in there, but until I can, like go to Lowe's or a hardware store and buy some small tubes and some rods and a spring. I just came up with the earth magnet. Let's see how it's going to work in this. Fast loop, staying on. Let's do a little vertical. Oh, we lost the canopy. So I am going to need the second earth magnet.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
I don't know how that's going to impact the CG. That's right there. I see where it's at, so we'll fly around. All right, so maybe take the tape off of one. They're strong magnets, but I've got a bare bond tape thickness over each magnet, so I'm thinking that might have been just enough insulation to keep the force of the magnet from working. But it fell off, looked like about halfway through the drop. All right, let's land and let's see what we can do to make this more better.
Landing flaps. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
Take that landing every day of the week.
Timer start. Flaps up. Timer stop. Timer start. Time remaining 6 minutes.
Ole, 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 ole. All right, we're gonna stop it here. I'm gonna get the canopy. Okay, coming out for part 2 of the flight. I took one of the pieces of tape off the fuse, so I got a bare magnet going to a magnet and a tape. We'll see how that does. Fly it around for a while. Ooh, man, that was like a, holy cow. That was like a toilet bowl churn. Again, this is the PMP version. Not the bind and fly. Nothing against the bind and flies, but this thing is heading for banner duty. Probably when I get it uglied up a little bit more. All right. Let's give it the vertical test.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
All right. Stayed on. Quote one of my all-time favorite comedians. We got it, Yahtzee! Oh, I'm just kidding. Woohoo! I'm happy. Let's go down. Let's set up for a high-speed pass. We're still testing. Because if I have to add another magnet, it's not a problem. I've got plenty of them. That was full speed. But I'm just trying to be minimalist. I'm being a minimalist. Oops.
Time remaining.
I'm not going to take the full vertical there because I don't want to walk all the way down now. I took Tuco off leash. I said, let's go to get the canopy, and I said, let's go out there. He went out and he sniffed it, but then he went on a little walk, which was fine. He kind of stayed close. And he came when I called him, which is a kind of a sucker move he does. He's like, yeah, see, I'll obey you. Then next thing you know, you let him loose, and he's down in 8 counties. That house right down there in the corner, right there, she's, I don't know. They say she's not very friendly. I've never met the woman. I hope she's not friendly. I hope she is friendly, I mean. I see her, I'll say hello to her and everything. Give her the salutation of the day. Man, it's nice to have the air tractor back in the rotation. I was like trying to decide what I was going to do to that little box. And I was going to cut it out of the fuse, and I still might to, well, I don't know, the earth magnets are going to work. Heck, I can put another one in there. It took a long time to put the earth magnets in there. I just scored it a little bit with the box cutter and took a flat tip screwdriver and dug out a little bit of foam. Put a little contact cement. I don't even know what brand of contact cement it was. It's kind of one of the white tubes you get with the free plane. I don't know if it was, I don't know what company it came with. I mean, it's like a one, maybe a two swallow beer job to get the work done. And then to let the contact loose at
Time remaining 2 minutes.
whew. What a good day. It's been a great day. Got kind of a late start because it was foggy right up till I left my house a little after 9. I mean, it was real foggy. Slow her down. Speed her up.
Timer start. Timer stop.
There we go. That is your e-flite air tractor P&P, straight from the warehouse in Champaign, Illinois via Horizon Hobby.